welcome. Friends, I can understand the great, beautiful, ancient language Tamil, but I cannot speak. Tamil theriyum, பேச முடியாது. The great Shivaji Ganeshan is a legend of his times. He is immortal. Even after he passed away, Shivaji is there in the minds of all the people even today. Film by default is a media that brings immortality. They are always seen living, moving, and talking on reel. Actors die only when people stop seeing their films. Actors die when people start not seeing their films. Therefore, some actors virtually die in their lifetime, whereas the others live even after their physical death also. Dr. Shivaji Ganeshan is one among them. He is no more, but he is everywhere. He is fresh in our memory. We have just now seen some of the old scenes from his films, where Madam Vanisri ji, Vedrani Nirmala ji, and Mahendra, all these people are there. I was wanting to see the great film Veeraponda Kattabomman. That's the film which I saw the great actor in Shivaji Ganeshan ji. The great means great actor. Films, friends, they are entertainers. They are educators. They are motivators. They are educators, they are entertainers, and they are motivators also. This is one such film, Veeraponda Kattabomman, which has made this great man from this deep south popular across the country because of Shivaji Ganeshan. Shivaji Prabhu Charities Trust Chennai has instituted 2 sets of awards, Dr. Shivaji Ganeshan Memorial Awards, meant for film workers, and Nadigar Tiragam Awards for senior members of Fans Association. It's a very noble thing they have done. I compliment both the brothers for taking this initiative. Amongst the awardees are Mrs. Vanisri ji. Incidentally, she is also from the same place where I also hail from Nellore. And Miss Venirade Nirmala ji, popular actress of their time, we have recognizably worked by Shivaji Ganeshan ji. Cinema is the concerted effort of huge crew. Most of them work from behind the scene, but it is their artistry that makes films a memorable experience. A seasoned music director like Shankar Ganesh or a cameraman like Vishwanath Rai play a major role in making a film successful. My compliments to both of them. My compliments also to YG Mahendra, who is a multifarious personality. From chemical engineering to film industry, acting, singing, and writing, 3 in 1. He has also worked with Shivaji Ganeshan ji. But film personalities are nothing without their fan base. Unless you have fans, you have to live under the fan. So the fans are very important because they really enjoy and they give you the needed inspiration and motivation. In Tamil Nadu, especially, actors can be God to their fans. That is quite thoughtful for Shivaji Prabhu Charities Trust to honor the senior members of the Shivaji Ganeshan Fans Association. This is a very good thing they have done it. Friends, the case of Tamil films is unique in India. In most other languages, films are films, however popular. But in Tamil Nadu, films become part of Tamil language movement, Tamil cultural pride, and Tamil politics also. It is well known that how at least 3 chief ministers of Tamil Nadu are from background of cinema. In fact, Dravidian movement in the 50s and 60s recognized that films could be medium of cultural and political propaganda. But Shivaji Ganeshan's life proved that politics for film actors could be a bane. Had he not been in politics, Shivaji Ganeshan would have gone to much more heights also. He was deliberately sidelined. It's a fact. He was deliberately sidelined because of politics those days. His contribution is raising maximum donation for relief in 1956 floods was overlooked. When he visited Tirupati, the atheists have made fun of him. Now everybody is going to Tirupati. If they are not going, they are sending their wives to Tirupati. Everybody is going to temple. If they are not going, they are making their children to go to temple. God is one. God is one, whichever God you may believe. God is there. But God is there. Some of us are not able to see him, but there is something which is above us. Friends, the only person who supported him was the great former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraz, at the time the Congress president. It brought Shivaji Ganeshan ji close to the Congress party, then Congress party at that time. Friends, he concentrated on films. Afterwards, 24/7, this made him a superstar. Shivaji Ganeshan wanted himself to be remembered as an artist, not as a politician. In fact, it was stage that brought him fame before the films. In 1946, the play Shivaji Kanda Hindu Rajyam, written by C.N. Annadurai, the great man that first brought laurels to Shivaji Ganeshan. It was Periyar, EVR, who gave him the title Shivaji. Shivaji in the country is also a great, inspiring name. Actually, an artist can better portray patriotism. This Shivaji Ganeshan did whether in Shivaji, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, or Rajaraja Chola, etc. Cairo Film Festival in 1960, he got standing ovation and Afro-Asian Award for his role as Veerapandiya Kattabomman. I became a fan of Shivaji Ganeshan because of Veerapandiya Kattabomman, the great warrior who fought against the Britishers, who did not care for his life, who disabled the Britishers at the time, even before the first independence movement in 1856. Mr. Veerapandiya Kattabomman, he has shown the way.